Hello students, hope you all are well at your homes. Today I came with new chapter of maths, that is chapter number 10. Name of chapter is sets. I know it's very new to you guys, you have never heard about this term, that what are sets, but I guarantee that if you listen the concept that I'm going to tell you, if you listen them carefully, then you will definitely get full marks in this chapter. Because it's the easiest chapter of the mathematics, there is nothing to solve in this chapter. Just we have to give the answer in 1 or 2 lines. That's all. So without delaying, let's start with the chapter. I have written few things for you guys here. Chapter number 10, sets. So as its name is sets, so we must be familiar with the set. That what is set? Set is a collection of well-defined objects. Means set is a collection of well-defined objects. Means it's a collection of objects which are totally well-defined, absolutely defined. We know that it's a collection of what things. We definitely know this thing. Then we will call it set. For example, a group of boys playing hockey. Here he has defined is that whose group is playing hockey? Boys group. Right. Next is a group of students going to picnic. Who is going to picnic? Students. Whose group is going to picnic? Students group. So it's a set. Okay. Next is a collection of lovely flowers. Collection of lovely flowers. It's not a set. Why it's not a set? Because lovely, he didn't mention that what kind of things he is calling lovely. Because taste is different from person to person. Our choice is varying. Right? Like we can say that what may be lovely to one person may not be the same to another person. Right? So that's why it's not a set. Okay, next is elements of a set. Elements, or you can call it members. Right? Elements or members of a set. Objects used to form set. What are elements? Elements are the objects that are used to form the set. So how we write the elements? Elements are written inside this kind of bracket. What we call it? What we call it? We call it curly bracket, or we call it middle bracket. So he said that elements, or you can say members, are written inside the curly bracket and are separated by commas, like this. Like this. Here A is the name of a set. What is the firstly we will mention that what is the name of set. So A is the name of set. It is always written in capital form. And here he has defined the elements of the group, elements of the set. He has written all the elements inside the curly bracket and separated them by the commas. Next I have written 2 properties for you guys. First property, these are very important properties. A change in order of writing the elements doesn't make any change in the set. If we are writing elements of a set, for example, if we are writing it like this, if I'm writing it like this, firstly I write it like this, and then after that, after some time, I write it like this. What I did, I have just changed the order of writing the elements. So it doesn't make any change in the set. Both the sets will be considered same. Right, beta? Both the sets will be considered same. So next is, if one or many members or elements of a set are repeated, the set remains same. If elements of the set is repeated, for example, if I have a set just like this, A, B, D, A, C, B. So it is same as that. Means in this set what he did, he have just there is just a repetition of letters. I have written A 2 times, B also comes 2 times. So it's just a repetition, but it will be considered as same as A, B, C, D and C. So repetition doesn't matter in these kind of sums. So we can't repeat the numbers actually. In general, the elements of a set are not repeated. Elements never repeats in a set. Okay. Like if Q is the set of the letters of the word book, then how to write the set to Q? Then I will write it like this. Q will be capital because if it is the name of set, I will write it like this, and then elements will be written in the curly bracket. So letters of book, how I will write it? B, comma, O, comma, K, bracket close. Why didn't I write the O 2 times? Because it's a repetition of letter, so it will not be considered. Letter will be written single time. Either it comes 4 times in the letter, the elements will be written single time. Okay. Okay. Beta, understand the concept carefully. If you have any kind of problem, you can message me. Right. Thank you.